Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In this video I'll show you how to connect your Sprocket Select to your iPhone. Firstly, you need to open the App Store and find here Sprocket. Find HP Sprocket, click download, click open. You can log in, but you can continue without the logging in. Click My Sprocket, get started. Here click Sprocket Select. And what we need to do to connect our Sprocket to our device. We need to connect Sprocket to the charging. The red lamp will light. And then you need to press and hold power button. Then here you can click next. Turn on Bluetooth to connect the Sprocket. Okay, of course we need to connect the Bluetooth if you have disabled Bluetooth feature, so we will not be able to connect. And now it will search for printers. And as you can see, it detected the HP Sprocket, so click on it plus and connect it. That's it. It's too fast, as you can see, so it's very easy to connect. HP Sprocket Select, click on it again. And setup is complete. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.